Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can make some videos as your favorite. Okay, so when you think that you like a video so much and you wanna see this video again, then you can easily make it your favorite list. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before starting tutorial, I will ask you something. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and if you face any problem regarding smartphone or social media, please let me know in comment below. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see TikTok apps. Click on this and choose a videos you like most, or maybe tutorial purpose. I just like this video, and what should I do now to make a favorite? Okay, so now I need to click here the option. Okay, wait a second. Here you can see the option. This icon is favorite icon. So when you click in this option, okay, so add it to favorite. So when you click on this, then this kind of video will be listed in your favorite list. Then after closing or logouting your TikTok app, then you can see this in your favorite list. Okay friend, I hope this video is simple and helpful for you, and thank you for watching this tutorial.